Thank you for tuning in to another edition of the End of Day Report with yours truly, Dex the Algo Capitalist, aka the Vulcan, coming to you live from PulseWaveTrading.com, home of the world famous PulseWave Price Trigger Reports that we place in your hand each and every trading day. All right, so as you have already been made aware of, today, all this week is forex week. And so in celebration of that, we are focusing on the the forex space. All right, so without any further ado, the first chart here is gold futures. And I want to show you something here. Now, as you saw, excuse me, I had warned you that last night we had a crash alert for last night into today's trading, and that the market bias had switched from a bullish one to a bearish one. Well, look at all that downside production we got on the gold futures today. Amazing price action. Nonetheless, market bias is still to the sell side, and we'll have to wait and see how this thing shapes out. Will we have even more downside and put in a super leg down? Or is this going to be bid back up and we flip-flop and get back bullish again? Right now, I'll have to say, I got to look at this at the sell side, even though we have a bullish weekly trend momentum reading. It seems that this run has topped out and the market wants to correct back down into the, another corrective cycle. So we'll see. That's why you have to follow the reports to a T and don't put bias into it. You let the market tell you what it's doing. All right, the next one here is the NASDAQ 100. We have a crash alert for the NASDAQ 100 for tonight into tomorrow's trading. Trend line support down here around the 11,300-ish level is the initial target. So we'll have to see what kind of a corrective pullback we get. Definitely follow the reports. All right, the British pound. All right, coming in looking at the British pound. All right, so the pound sterling right here, as you can see, we still have a bullish bias in the market. Market pull all the way down today, sold off heavy and made its way back down toward the trend line support, which I believe is going to be bid right back up again as the market bias is to the long side of the market. If you go back to our original rally alert, we've been getting nothing but upside production. Rally, rally point, rally point, rally point. Should this one be any different? I don't think so. Every pullback is being bid up in this market. All right, so moving right along, we got the Australian dollar. Take a look at the Aussie. All right, same thing as that pound sterling, looking quite the same, right? The market bias is to the long side still, with pullbacks being bid right back up. Right here, you got bid right back up. Why should this time be any different? Until the market bias shifts, right now, I see all pullbacks being bid back up into the market. So that is where we are until that shift changes. Looking at the euro dollar now, taking a look at this one. All right, market bias is still to the sell side with all rallies being sold off. So quite a different perspective here than with the pound and the Aussie. The euro is showing signs of weakness where rallies are being sold, like here and here and here. So a very interesting turn of events, to say the least. Excuse me. So this one, you got a bullish weekly trend momentum reading, but you're in a Kumo cloud of death. So, you like to run up to the top of the cloud, then fall, test the bottom of the cloud. Very wide range for this one to consolidate in. So definitely follow the reports there on that one. All right, let's see here. Okay, the first one I gave you when I said the British pound, that was the micro futures. Now this British pound is your actual forex. And as you can see here, same scenario, they're moving together. So again, a bid bias. We're seeing bids coming in and buying the market every time it pulls back to support. And you're in a long, wide trend Kumo Cloud where you're going to consolidate and trend sideways. So that's that. All right, next we got the next one here is a Reco. It's on the ASX exchange. It's MMJ Group Holdings. Had a really massive parabolic bar today. As you can see here, this was just absolutely insane. All right, so because of this, we have a market bias that has gone all over the place, flip-flopping everywhere right now. And so we still have a bullish bias. The rally alert was issued back on October the 8th. We got initial upside production. The market pulled back a little bit and then took off today. So had you been long this because you're following the report, you would have been able to really enjoy yourself today with this incredible hyperparabolic bar, which we rarely ever see. This is quite the move here. So the market bias obviously is still to the long side of the market. All right, and let's see here. The next one is also on the ASX. And we have a crash alert on this one for tomorrow's trading. The market bias has flip-flopped from a bullish one now to a bearish one. We're already right near the initial trend line support target. So this one has a propensity to drop substantially below the Kumo cloud, dropping outside of the cloud. And then we'll see where it goes from there. But you do have a bullish weekly trend momentum reading as well. So I would definitely follow the reports on that. All right, I got time for one more. We're going to do GDX right quick, and then that will be a wrap for tonight. All right, let's see here. You got GDX. All right, so because gold has been pulling back, it looks like it's taking the GDX with it. So we came into today with a crash alert, just like we had on gold, and we got nice downside production today in the GDX. And so the market bias has flip-flopped from a bullish to a bearish one. I'm expecting to see more downside, especially how we ended on a bearish pointer today. So right now, the bears have seized control of this market in the short term. All right, hopefully everyone's taking advantage of the forex week at PulseWave Trading, where we're giving out a free report all week on forex. You can get your hands on that by going to pulsewavetrading.com. You can sign up with a free account, and you'll get access to the forex report. All right, so with that being said, that's all we got time for tonight. I'll see the rest of you guys in the morning for the pre-market pulse scan and everyone else in the trading room. And remember, bulls make money, bears make money, and pigs get slaughtered. So remember to take what you can and give nothing back. And I'm out. Peace.